Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today let's discuss the health benefits of blackberries. Did you know that a single blackberry flower can produce over 40 juicy blackberries? It's true, these tiny fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to flavor and nutrition. Get ready to discover the amazing health benefits of blackberries. Blackberries have been enjoyed for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations. They're not only delicious, but also bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can supercharge your health. Get ready to dive into the world of blackberries and unlock their incredible potential. Your body will thank you for it. Blackberries are nutritional superstars. Don't let their small size fool you. These little berries are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin C for a supercharged immune system, vitamin K for healthy bones, and manganese for energy production. And that's not all. Blackberries are also a good source of fiber, which is essential for a happy and healthy gut. But wait, there's more. Blackberries are bursting with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, keeping you feeling and looking your best. Let's talk about gut health. It's a topic that's gaining more and more attention these days, and for good reason. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to mood and even immune function. And guess what? Blackberries can lend a helping hand in maintaining that crucial gut health. Remember that fiber we mentioned earlier? It's not just any nutrient, it's a powerhouse for your digestive system. Fiber plays a vital role in keeping your digestive system running smoothly, ensuring everything works as it should. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity, which is essential for a comfortable daily life. But that's not all. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which are essential for a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and even better mental health. Plus, a well-balanced gut can contribute to a stronger immune system, helping you fend off illnesses more effectively. So, by adding blackberries to your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, you're also supporting healthy digestion, boosting your immune system, and enhancing your overall health. It's a small change with big benefits. Section 4. Immunity boosters, fighting off the bad guys. Want to give your immune system a fighting chance? Look no further than the humble blackberry. Blackberries are here to help. These delicious berries are not just a treat for your taste buds, but a powerhouse for your health. These tiny fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in immune function. Just a handful can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C helps to strengthen your body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off infections. It supports the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for battling viruses and bacteria. And it's not just vitamin C that's working its magic. Blackberries are a treasure trove of other essential nutrients. Blackberries also contain other antioxidants, like anthocyanins, which have been shown to possess antiviral and antibacterial properties. These compounds help to reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. So, the next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a handful of blackberries. Incorporate them into your diet regularly to keep your immune system in top shape. Section 5. Heart Healthy Heroes. Blackberries for cardiovascular wellness. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life. It's the engine that keeps our bodies running smoothly, pumping blood and delivering oxygen to every cell. And guess what? Blackberries can help keep your ticker ticking strong. These small, juicy fruits are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support heart health. These heart-healthy heroes are packed with potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium works by balancing out the negative effects of salt and easing tension in your blood vessel walls. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. By including blackberries in your diet, you can help maintain a healthy blood pressure level. Blackberries also contain fiber, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Fiber helps reduce the amount of cholesterol absorbed into your bloodstream, which is vital for heart health. High cholesterol is another contributor to heart disease, so incorporating fiber-rich foods like blackberries into your diet is a smart move. They can be easily added to salads, smoothies, or enjoyed on their own as a tasty snack. Give your heart some love and enjoy a daily dose of these delicious berries. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your heart will too. Make blackberries a part of your heart-healthy routine today. Section 6. Blackberry Bliss, your daily dose of deliciousness. Ready to experience the amazing health benefits of blackberries firsthand? It's time to get creative in the kitchen. Blackberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Add them to your morning smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious boost. Sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for a fiber-rich breakfast treat. Bake them into muffins or pies for a delightful dessert. The possibilities are endless. So, go ahead and indulge in the sweet, tangy goodness of blackberries. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.